YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video, man. All right, now that we broke above the 13 SMA, I brought my stop loss to break even. So this is a risk-free trade that we have right here. I'm way too hydrated now. I have to dehydrate myself. So let's make some coffee, bro. So there you go. It's a W. It's W day today. You know what I'm saying? I'm a mess. But we did it, man. We completed it. That's what's important. I don't have a routine for days like today when it's a weekday and I don't go to work. Like today has been a very chill day and I'm not used to being just doing nothing. We are right now $800 in drawdown. So that's way better than 1,300 that we were before. Today is Thursday and it's currently 8 a.m. right now, and I'm trading New York session again. As you guys can see, I haven't had a trade yet. I haven't taken any trades. I'm still waiting for a trade. The market is, they are super duper slow right now. They're not even moving. They're not even doing anything, and I think it's because there are news at around 8:30 today. Yeah, that we have PPI, core PPI news at 8:30, and is right now about to be 8:10. So I'm gonna just wait after news, see if we get some type of setups right there, because right now, man, the market is not doing anything, and whatever it is that I take, man, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Whatever it is that I do, I'm gonna keep you guys updated, man. It is 9 a.m. right now and I've been waiting for a setup for 1 hour and 30 minutes and we still haven't gotten the setups, man. So I'm gonna just go make a coffee right now because the markets don't look like they're gonna make any setups, to be honest, at this point. So I'm gonna be here for another hour and a half waiting for a setup, and if we don't get anything by 10:30, then we're just gonna walk away with no trades, man. I already finished my water like 2 times. I'm already too hydrated. I'm way too hydrated now. I have to dehydrate myself. So let's make some coffee, bro. All right, man, so as you guys can see, we just entered a liquidity graph on gold from this low. This candles came down here, took liquidity, and now when it gave me the break of the candle, we got in. So right now we are currently in $160 in profit. I entered at first. I entered with one mini on gold, but the risk was nearly $500 in gold. I mean, with one contract. So I was like, you know what? Now I gotta. So I took that contract out. It was too much risk, and I entered again with 8 contracts. I mean 8 micros, so the risk could be a little bit lower. So that's why we have a $32 win right here. And then I re-enter again with 8 contracts, and that's why here we are, man. Right now we have my stop loss was originally right here, but as the price is moving up, I brought it up to this low right here. So that is a $320 risk that we have. I'm aiming for $400, $450 actually, and because of the fees and stuff, that's why I went a little bit above $450. So we'll see how it goes, man. We'll see. The trade right now is looking good, but we do have to break above the 13 SMA. So this blue line that goes along the price, this candle literally has to break above it, because if we don't, it's going to be an issue. And right now we have what, 8 seconds. Come on, bro. It's gonna be underneath. Well, we'll see, man. We'll see what happens. All right, now that we broke above the 13 SMA, I brought my stop loss to break even. So this is a risk-free trade that we have right here. I don't know, it doesn't focus. So I brought my stop loss to break even. So if it comes back down, we don't lose anything. And yeah, man, we'll see how it goes. I like that it broke above now. This is looking good, but it's taking too long, man. Usually my trades do not take this long, but we'll see, man. We'll see how it goes. I just realized it's 9:25. We got 5 more minutes until the market opens. So the market is gonna go crazy in 5 minutes. So I gotta close, bro. If 1 minute before, like 30 seconds before the market opens, I'ma close the trade, because I do not want to trade it, bro. That's when the market goes absolutely insane. So I'm gonna just get out. And if it takes me out right now, then it is what it is, man. We just call it a day right now. But in literally less than 5 minutes, the market will open, and man, it might take me out right now. We'll see. So as you guys can see, it did ended up taking me out when it came down here. On my break-even point, took me out, And we do have a $52 win today, and the market will literally open in like 2 minutes. So listen, we didn't make any money today. We're done for the day. I'm not taking any more trades. Making no money is better than losing money, man. So it's a W. We made it. There you go. It's a W. It's W day today. We didn't make no money. We didn't lose money. Break even day. Let's continue to do the things that we gotta do throughout the day, man. Oh yeah, I gotta explain this trade to you guys, so I'm gonna do that. But first, all right, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I wasn't gonna do a 30-minute run today because it's drizzling a little bit. It's a little bit of rain going on. But then I was like, yo, I just bought a waterproof jacket yesterday. What what other day to test it out? You know what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what? Yeah, I am gonna do a 30-minute run. I got this jacket that I bought yesterday, and we're gonna try it out today, man. It's a little bit cold though, but we're gonna get warm as we do this 30-minute run. And yeah, man, let's do this 30-minute run. I know I look like a mess right now, bro. Just finished doing the 30-minute run. The rain started to get a little bit heavier as I was on the way here. And I got, you know what I'm saying, I'm a mess. But we did it, man. We completed it. That's what's important. Now let's go back to the house. I'm about to go shower and get ready to get my day started, man. I think I will be doing boxing later on today. I'm not sure. I'm going to ask the coach if I can go, and if he says yes, then we're gonna be boxing later on today, man. But yeah, let's get this day started, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I really like this jacket. I think this will be my favorite jacket. You guys will see me rocking this jacket a lot, bro, because I really like how it looks on me, bro. I like this jacket a lot. And I like my favorite color, bro, gotta be black. Everything that I get is black. It's crazy. But man, let me go over this trade that I took today. Don't think I forgot. Wait, let's go over this trade. I'm gonna go exactly detail by detail the reason why I took this trade. And as you guys can see, if you guys want to follow me on IG, you can go follow me there. I post my trades first thing in the morning once I'm done trading. And as you guys can see, today we took a break-even day. You know what I'm saying? It was a break-even day, and this is the trade that we took. The trade that we took, we closed right here. It was basically a break-even. It was coming up to my take profit, but you know what I'm saying? It didn't work out for us, and I believe it ended up going up. Yeah, it ended up going up, but I was just cool, man. And once I closed the trade right there, I was cool. I was like, yeah, I'm walking away. But okay, what was the reason behind this trade? As always, first thing that I always do when I come into the markets is I go to the 1 hour time frame to see what trend we have, to see what direction we're moving in the higher time frame. And I see that we are moving towards the upside. We're bullish. We have been bullish for a long time on gold, man. So literally all we have been taking on gold is buys, 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 and buys and buys. But yeah, man, I see that we're pushing towards the upside. And then when I see this right here, but then I see that we were coming down here. We were coming down. We pushed up. We couldn't break above this high, but then we came down again and we took liquidity of this lows right here. So this candle right here, this candle came underneath this low and it closed above this low. So that means that it took liquidity. Again, what is liquidity? Liquidity is orders that stop losses that are right there. You know what I'm saying? People leave their stop losses underneath or above lows and highs, and then the market likes to come take the orders out to then push the other way. So that's exactly what was happening here. I'm like, okay, we're coming down, we're taking liquidity of this low, so now I'm expecting the market to push towards the upside. And yeah, man, that's the reason why I got in right here. Let me delete this so I can go step by step by step. So when I came into the market, it was around here. So here, man, I came into the market and I see that we're taking liquidity of this low. And right now, all I'm waiting for is a break of the candle towards the upside. The overall trend is bullish, and we're taking liquidity of low to push towards the upside. And when we break above this candle right here, I get in and I put my stop loss underneath this low, and I was aiming for a 1-to-1. That was basically the trade. And you know what I'm saying? And as this candle, this was a $400 risk, something like that. It was a $400 risk. I did have to use micros for this, because the risk with one single contract was around $500. So I was like, you know what, nah, we're gonna use minis, and we use minis. And as the trade was moving up, we brought our stop loss to this low right here. So the trade, this was at around a $300 trade risk trade that we took right here. And yeah, man, the trade was looking amazing, but it was having a hard time breaking above this 13 SMA right here. And I see that, I'm like, okay, well, maybe it's gonna push towards the bottom now, but we'll see what happens. And then it broke above, but the candle wasn't strong enough. That candle was not strong enough. So I'm still being cautious. And then another candle that didn't do anything. So at this point, I just brought my stop loss to break even when it was playing around right there. And also, I brought it to break even because it was this was a 925 candle. So the market opens at 9:30. So when 9:30 opens, the market goes crazy, goes insane. So I'm like, you know what? The market is about to open. I'm gonna leave my stop loss right here at break even, and I'm gonna let the market do what it gotta do. If it's gonna push up, then it push up, and if it comes down, then it comes down. My trade is already a break even. This is already a break, not a break, risk-free trade. So it doesn't really matter if it goes up or down. Do whatever it is that you want to do. But the market came down before even the market opens, so that's the reason why we had a $52 win, which is basically a break-even trade. But yeah, man, this is the trade for today, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do throughout the day. I did tell coach if I could go to boxing practice later on today, and he said yes, man, but that is at 7:30 p.m. So we still got a long day ahead of us, and I think I really don't know exactly what I'm gonna be doing, but right now I'm about to go eat. I'm about to make a reel, and after I'm done with the reel, I don't know, man, I think I might watch some of the fights that I had to see the things that I should be working on, and just try to use my day as efficiently as I can, bro, because listen, it's so much. I'm not working today, so it's like I got so much time in my day. I got those 8 hours that I normally work. I have them to myself, so it's like, bro, it's insane. But yeah, man, stay tuned. All right, YouTube is right now about to be 7 p.m. right now, and we're heading towards the boxing practice, bro. Listen, bro, this has been the most chillest day ever, bro. Like, hold on, let me turn on the lights. Like, bro, for real, I usually have a routine for days of work and for my weekends when I don't work, but I don't have a routine for days like today when it's a weekday and I don't go to work. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a routine, bro. Listen, in the future, if we ever get too many days like this, I'm gonna have to like work on making a routine to make these days even longer, bro. Like today I made a reel, I edited the video, I was watching some informational videos on YouTube, then I started watching entertainment YouTube videos, but I felt like shit, bro. I didn't even want to be there. I wanted to do something, but I just didn't know what else to do, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like today has been a very chill day, and I'm not used to being just doing nothing. I'm always used to like always being on the go. So man, yeah, today has been a very chill day. But right now it's gonna get busy again. We're going to the boxing practice, and then we're gonna come home, edit the video, upload it to YouTube, go to sleep, wake up the next day, Friday, so we can trade again, man. But I'm gonna see you guys at the boxing practice. All right, YouTube, so we finished the boxing practice, and right now we're heading back to the house. I ain't gonna lie, I couldn't record as much. It was a nice little workout though. I was in there for like an hour and a half, and I could have been there still training, but I do have to go home, bro, and I do have to go to sleep early because I do have to wake up and trade New York session tomorrow. So I left like half an hour earlier than usual. So it is what it is, man. I gotta do what I gotta do. But yeah, man, it was a nice little workout. I was training non-stop for 1 hour and 30 minutes, non-stop. Just, I had a good workout, bro. But anyways, we're going home right now. And as you know, tomorrow we're trading, last day of the week that we're trading. Hopefully we can get a win. We'll see what happens. We are right now $800 in drawdown, so that's way better than 1,300 that we were before. So listen, I feel relieved. Today we had a break-even trade, which is good. Break-even trade is a W day regardless, because we didn't lose any money. But listen, tomorrow we're just gonna show up, be disciplined, take the right trade, take one single trade, and call it a day, man. Whether we win or lose, it doesn't matter. We just gotta be disciplined, and that's it, man. Yeah, man, my day comes to an end. I'm gonna finish this video right here. Like, today was a very weird day because, listen, I'm not used to not do anything, you know what I'm saying? Tomorrow, man, honestly, bro, I'm not planning something out for tomorrow because I can't be at the house doing nothing, bro. If I'm at the house, I gotta be working, I gotta be doing something, you know what I'm saying? So tomorrow I'm gonna definitely be trying to do something. I don't know what it is gonna be. And tomorrow I'm not boxing either, so jeez, bro, tomorrow's gonna be a long day for me. But anyways, man, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Y'all stay safe, y'all stay productive, y'all stay disciplined in the markets, and make sure that you have a relationship with the highest, Jesus Christ, man. Y'all stay safe, and without further ado, man, this video is now over.